Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your trusted source for in-depth product reviews. Today we're checking out the Total Chef Portable Blender, a compact yet powerful device designed to blend smoothies, shakes, and more, all while being portable and easy to use. If you're someone who's always on the go, whether you're at home, the gym, or on a trip, this might just be the gadget you need. Let's see what makes this blender stand out and whether it's worth adding to your kitchen arsenal. The Total Chef Portable Blender boasts a 20-aughts BPA-free bottle that not only serves as a blender jar, but doubles as a drinking cup, making it the perfect solution for blending and sipping in one. With its cordless USB rechargeable design, this blender promises the freedom to mix up smoothies, protein shakes, and even crush ice anywhere. No cords, no fuss. Whether you're blending frozen fruits, mixing protein powder, or making your favorite slushie, this device claims to handle it all. Its compact size makes it highly portable, perfect for those who want a blender they can take on the road, to the gym, or even camping. The blender is also marketed as easy to clean, with detachable parts that are dishwasher-safe, making maintenance a breeze. In terms of functionality, the Total Chef Portable Blender performs well for a variety of uses. I've tested it for smoothies, protein shakes, and even to crush ice and mix frozen fruits. The blending power is impressive for its size, and while it won't replace a full-size countertop blender, it's more than capable for personal-sized servings. The USB rechargeable battery holds up well, offering several uses on a single charge, which is a bonus for anyone who's frequently traveling or just doesn't want to deal with plugging it in. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this product. One of the key strengths is its portability. The fact that it's cordless means you're not tethered to an outlet, which gives it an edge for people who want to blend on the go. The 20-aughts capacity is perfect for 1 or 2 servings, so it's great for personal use. The BPA-free material adds peace of mind when it comes to health-conscious consumers. Plus, the blender is super easy to clean. You can either rinse it out or toss it in the dishwasher, which really saves time and effort in daily use. On the downside, while it does a good job with most ingredients, it's not as powerful as a traditional blender. If you're blending tough ingredients or large batches, you may run into some trouble. It's also worth noting that the 20-aughts bottle might be a bit small for some, especially if you're used to larger, family-sized servings. When it comes to value for money, the Total Chef Portable Blender offers solid performance for its price. Compared to full-size blenders or high-end portable blenders, it is priced more reasonably, especially considering its portability and ease of use. However, it's important to temper expectations. This isn't going to compete with more expensive models in terms of power or versatility, but for personal use, it's a great value. Some competitors in this category, like the NutriBullet Pro or Magic Bullet, offer similar functions, but often come with more powerful motors and higher price tags. If you're looking for something compact and easy to take with you, this blender provides a compelling option without breaking the bank. In terms of durability, the Total Chef Portable Blender seems well built for its intended use. The materials feel sturdy, and there are no signs of cheap plastic or flimsy construction. As for longevity, given its compact size and the nature of its use, I expect it to last quite a while with proper care. However, like any rechargeable device, the battery life will eventually degrade over time. But with a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support, you should be covered if anything goes wrong. I didn't have to interact with customer support directly, but Total Chef's reputation for reliable customer service is reassuring. A 1-year warranty also adds confidence, especially if you're concerned about the longevity of portable blenders. When it comes to alternatives, a direct comparison with other portable blenders like the BlendJet 2 or the Pop Baby's portable blender shows that the Total Chef Portable Blender competes well in terms of size and functionality. While it's not the most powerful option out there, it's also one of the more affordable choices. The BlendJet 2, for example, offers more power, but comes at a higher price point. And while the Pop Baby's blender is great for blending, its design may not be as sleek or easy to use on the go. So, if you're looking for something lightweight, functional, and easy to clean, the Total Chef Portable Blender does a good job. though it might not suit those who need heavy-duty blending. To sum it all up, the Total Chef Portable Blender is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a compact, portable solution for making smoothies, protein shakes, and more on the go. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and offers good performance for personal use. While it's not as powerful as some higher-end options, it more than makes up for it in convenience and portability. If you're looking for a blender that can handle your basic needs without taking up much space, this could be a solid addition to your kitchen. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Total Chef Portable Blender, check out the link in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a comment or ask any questions you might have about this product. And if you've already tried it, share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep blending those healthy creations.